Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sierra. Today I will be showing you how I wash my box braids. So I've had these box braids in for about 4 weeks. If you follow me on Instagram at Naturally Nefertiti, you've seen them in a couple of pictures. So I have not washed my hair in 4 weeks, and as you can see, my scalp is looking very dry, have some flakes, lots of product buildup, and it's just looking nasty. So we're going to take care of that today with a wash. What I'll be using today is the Africa's Best Coconut Cream Sulfate-Free Moisturizing Shampoo. I'll also be using a spray bottle in their restorative conditioner. So stay tuned to see how I take care of these braids. So first I'm going to fill my spray bottle up with water, and then I'm going to spray my scalp so that it's pretty much soaking wet. And because I did box parting and straight lines, it's really easy for me to just take each part and then spray along the part, and to make sure that my entire scalp is getting wet. So I'm just going to do that to the front of my head and then to the back and be done. Okay, now that your hair is wet, you want to go ahead and make your shampoo solution. So I like to use a spray bottle that is filled with about 3/4 water and 1/4 shampoo. That way, when I spray it on my scalp, it's very easy to lather, and I don't have to do a lot of vigorous hair rubbing, and it helps create less frizz than if I were to just put the shampoo straight on my scalp. Also, I like to add tea tree oil because tea tree oil has a lot of antifungal, antibacterial properties, and it really helps with dandruff and removing buildup from your scalp, and it also gives you a nice little tingle. So I like to add that to my shampoo and water combination. Shake it up, and then it's ready to use. Now I just start spraying my hair. So again, I like to use the parts that my braids are in as a guideline for where to spray. So I just spray along the parts, making sure I get my hair saturated with the shampoo solution, and then I rub it in, and as you can see, it starts to lather immediately. And I use my fingertips, the pads of my fingers, to lather the soap and to help remove any buildup from my scalp. And I just keep going along the parts and spraying, and then using my fingertips to rub and lather it in. And I'd go and do that throughout my entire head. Once my entire head is shampooed, then I'll hop in the shower to rinse all the shampoo out and follow up with conditioner. For the conditioner, it's easier for me to just work in sections. So I grab a glob of conditioner and work it throughout my scalp and on the braids. And I work in like 4 quadrants. And then I just put my hair in a ponytail and go about the rest of my routine, such as I'll hop back in the shower and wash up. I'll wash my face. I'll brush my teeth. And by the time I'm done with that, the conditioner will have been sitting in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll wash it out. Box braids can be very, very heavy when they are dripping wet. That's why I like to shampoo and condition my hair outside of the shower so that I'm not putting unnecessary tension on my hair by having dripping, soaking wet hair that's pulling on my edges, on my scalp, etc. So if you're like me and you want to save your edges, I suggest doing this all outside of the shower and not constantly wetting and re-wetting your hair. So these are the results after shampooing and conditioning my box braids. A lot of people ask me, can you wash your hair while you have in protective styles? And the answer is absolutely yes. The whole point of protective styling is to put your hair away and, help it grow. But you can't neglect your hair while you have it in a protective style. I don't wash my hair as much when I protective style, but I definitely still wash it. And this will allow me to keep my braids in longer and have them looking neat and clean longer. So I plan to keep my braids in for about 2 more weeks. So in total, I'll have worn them for 6 weeks. And this wash is like a nice way to refresh your hair in the middle of your protective style so that you can keep them in longer and your hair will thank you afterwards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.